In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add links to text in Canva. Adding clickable links in Canva is a quick way to guide your audience to a website, a sign-up page, or any resource you want them to see. This is especially useful in presentations, digital flyers, and PDFs, where your viewers can click directly on the text and move to the next step without hunting for information. Start by opening your Canva project. It can be any design you're working on. Just make sure the text you want to link is already on the canvas. Links attach to text, so you'll be working with a text box rather than a shape or an image. If you have multiple text boxes, identify the exact one that contains the words you want to make clickable so there's no confusion later. Next, choose what you'd like to turn into a link. If you want every word in a text box to be clickable, click once to select the entire box and you'll see the bounding outline around it. If you want only a specific word or phrase to be clickable, double-click inside the text box to enter editing mode, then drag to highlight just those characters. Selecting the whole box makes the entire sentence a single link, which is great for big calls to action. Highlighting just a phrase keeps your design cleaner and directs attention to the most important words. With your text selected or highlighted, right-click to open the context menu and choose Link. A small field appears where you can place your URL. This is the space where your web address goes, and it's the only thing you need to fill in here. Paste your link into that field, and that's it. Use the full web address, including HTTP or HTTPS, to help ensure it works reliably. Keep the link clear and professional, and make sure it points to a live page that loads quickly. If your anchor text says something like "Learn more" or "Visit the site," check that it accurately reflects where the link leads, so your audience knows what to expect. A couple of quick tips for clarity. The linked text may look the same as your regular text in the editor depending on your styling, but the link is still there. When your design is viewed in compatible formats, that text will act as a clickable link. If you later change the wording or adjust the style, the link stays attached to whatever you selected, whether it's the whole box or just a phrase. And that's the process. Simple, fast, and reliable. Now your Canva designs can guide people exactly where you want them to go.